Enough Sidewalk challenge that Jacqueline brought here today. We had artists from across the city, across different affiliations here today, chalking the sidewalks, and also the kids throughout the day have been chalking messages of peace, hope, names of those who have been lost. Our sidewalks are covered in beautiful art and words and messages.
It's an amazing opportunity here at Blue Slide Park in Pittsburgh. Today we're spreading the love and letting community know that we have the hope that we can start to love thy neighbor and stop thy violence. And by coming together in community, we can only make that effort stronger.
Here's our completed hope tree. We had kids show up all day this morning from different schools, bringing their tags that they wrote. They all say words of peace and hope and love and positive messages for our community.
Happy that we're actually going over this and we're actually making people aware of what's happening.
You'll see a chain that has been made by an old Repair the World fellow. They are now an artist activist, and they had children put together these messages that are then strung up and have been like the big part of our tree.
Oh my gosh, how moving to see and have our young people lead some of the most important, difficult topics. Having equitable ways of treating one another, to be able to love one another, to understand that we all really, at the end of the day, just want to have the opportunity to raise our families, to be able to live fully.
The Women's March in January, on January 19th, 2011, we will be building bridges stronger than hate. And part of that is important in our community. We need those bridges. There are places where the progress of Pittsburgh has not reached yet. There are people who do not feel the embrace of change, and we need to build some bridges to our neighbors.